so I wanted to show you a look with an eyeshadow that I haven't used before. So we're going to try it together. I always start from the bottom up. Wow, that's a lot. So I put a little blob on there, and then I use my hourglass brush. I put a lot of product, so I'm gonna put it on the other eye. A little goes a super long way. Because also I don't like it to look too gloopy, personally. So I'm just taking away. And then I blend the edges with a 217. So this gives you such a fast smoky eye with a little bit of metallic shine. And it's a pretty neutral gold color, I would say. Looks very sultry. And I like it with my skin super natural. I am gonna put some lipstick in a moment though. But I really like an evening look with a really natural skin, and just not too perfect, not too overdone. So I'm gonna put a little bit on this eye just to match it up, but very little, because I've seen that it goes a long way. Wow, it looks so metallic when you first apply it. You could really build this up. It's super easy to blend. There's just nothing to do. This is how I do foundation. Just take away the shine with my hand. It's the best. So a little bit of liner. I'm not even looking in the mirror. And then I'm going to use the Stila Caramello, one of my all-time favorite notes. Tiny bit. And see how you can tell that the skin isn't perfect? But I like that. And I think it works with the smoky. So there's a really cool, super easy smoky eye. Hope you liked it. I want to show you more of these shades because they're all super versatile and it's all I've been wearing lately, so I can show you how it looks. Have a good one and I'll see you soon.